In this video, we'll be learning how to make money online with zero skills. Just as you can clearly see here, zero skills, yes, no skill at all, yes. As long as you can use a laptop, you can type one or two sentences, you are good to go. This strategy has proven to work and is working till today, till tomorrow. Even in 10, 20 years to come, it's going to work. Let's get to see it. I will show you everything in detail. Everything will be clearly spelled out and you get to see it, provided you can access the internet around you. Let's come to this very spot first. I'm going to show you something from my email. From there I will now go in detail. It's strategy that I've been using for years. You can see here, hi Edmond Chris, following your earlier request for a restaurant website design. Below is a list of website gig I have for you with different prices, so you can clearly see. Then if you look at the email, we get to see I put in the price tag and other relevant information there. If I come down, we get to see that it's actually a request from the client. You can clearly see Mr. Chris, also on the 18th of July 2024. I just opened a new restaurant which I run now and I need a website for my business now. So I need so he gave me sample and you can see everything. So that was a reply I just composed for him. I'm going to show you everything in detail from scratch to this very stage. And as time goes on, I'm going to be showing you more results and more things. So let me see, you will see I'm going to reply the email. I'm going to click send. We get to see the email is sending. He will get the email. You see, the email has been sent, it's gone. Good. So what have I really done in this particular email now? This is it. For you to make money online, as I've said, you need to have a skill, but in this case we are talking about zero skill here, and it is also the same thing. The only little skill you have is as long as you can have access to the internet and you can use a laptop or any system close to you. So this is it. We identify a skill or service. In this case, since we don't have the skill, we look for people that have the skill. Then what are we going to do? We identify who to sell this skill for. That means a service. That means as a freelancer, we look for freelancer who has particular service. Then we advertise them to other people who need their services. Then when they get to patronize those people, we'll get our own commission from it. Just the way you have a house agent, that when you need a house, you go to the agent connects you with the landlord later gives you the house while you pay the money, and while the agent also collects his own commission. That is exactly what you do. The agent does not have a house. The agent does not build a house. The agent does not do anything. All he does is he link you up. So this is exactly what you are going to be doing here on the internet space. So identify a skill or service as a freelancer to sell, identify who to sell to, then generate the contact, then compose the email, then send. Everything will be in detail now. So after this, there will be a link at the description box of this video. Just click on that particular link. That's the starting stage. It will bring you to this particular place. This service, in this case, we are supposed to be the one providing it, but since we don't know much about it, if you don't know much about it, it's none of your business. You just need to click on the link in the description box. It will bring you to this very particular point. It is a Fiverr platform. Then when you click continue with email or with your Google email or with your Google, it will bring you here where you put your email address, you pick a password. That is all. That is the only thing you are doing. Once you are done with that, the next thing is you go to your account. Your account is going to be something like this. This is it. You will just fill in some few information, maybe your few information to complete the sign up process. Then once you are done, you come to this particular point. You see you will see your profile. You have options. Let me show you. When you are signing up, you pick as a buyer. So you are going to switch to sell a gig. Don't worry, the selling of gig is not really difficult. Just fill in a few information that you are a freelancer. Maybe pick anything that you can think of. That is all. Then you will now click, make sure you are on buy. That means switch to selling. So in this case, we are selling our account, but in this case, once you open it, make sure you remain the way it is. The next thing you do is you come to this particular point. You are a buyer now in this case. That is why you are still here. Then you will now come here, pick any particular thing that you want to promote. Maybe you have little knowledge, or if you don't have knowledge about it, don't worry. Just pick here, come to website development, or maybe email marketing, or email advertising, or any product that you can think of, or AI writing, or video editing, or whatever skill maybe you feel you like. Then you pick it. In this case, by the time you type it on this search point, you will now click search. So once you click search, you get to see what will happen here now. So at this point it has opened. You can see it's showing us people who are into website development with their prices. This is under $85, this is 85 to 100. So you are going to pick any one of your choice. You get to pick any one of your choice. You can decide to pick this one, you can decide to pick this one, you pick this one. So when you pick, all you have to do is just come like this. Take for example like this one. Let's pick this ladies own. For example, you click on this particular point. You will now click open a new tab. Once you click on open on a new tab, I will show you something now. So once it's open on a new tab like this, the next thing you do is just take note of what you are picking. You are picking a web development. That means a web development program. So this is the service this person is selling. You can see the breakdown of the information. Don't worry, that one is not your business. Come to your notepad, open your notepad. Just come to your notepad, open your notepad, highlight this point, copy it, paste it. This very information, you highlight it, you copy it, you go to your notepad. In this case, you paste it, you paste the information, or if you can type it, good and fine. Anyone you can do, you copy it, you paste it. Once you paste it, the next thing you do is, this is what is very important now. You come to ShareGig. Make sure you're able to see this ShareGig. When you see ShareGig, you copy it, you close it, you go to your platform again, you come down, you paste the gig link. So this gig link is what we really need, which is very, very important. This information is also important to tell the person that this is what you're offering, and this gig description is very, very important. So in this point, you get to like 2 to 3 with different prices. If you can see, at my own case, I have picked a couple of them. I will go to my notepad. You can see another one, $500, another one again. You come to this very spot, you pick them one after the other, like up to 3. You highlight, right click, you click open the new tab, highlight, click open the new tab, pick different prices so that the person who have access to your email will have variety of options. At the end of the day, you are going to have something like this. Let me show you. You are going to have something like this. You put them together with their prices. You can see I have up to 3 here. So I have up to 3 here. You can see build website, the price, and the link. You can see them, 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. So by the time you arrange them like this, when they are set based on different prices, so that it's affordable for the person, the higher price, the low price, and the medium price, then the next thing you do is you come to your email. So at this point, you are done with identifying what we want to promote and what we want to sell to people. So the next thing we will do is we will look for contact. That means we will need to get people's contact that we are going to promote to. Who are these people that we are going to promote to? These people are people who are into restaurant business. The next thing we'll do is, how do we get their contact? We'll come to Gmail, your Gmail account. This is it. So you can see on your Google search, you come to Google, you come to restaurant business. So in this case, I picked Guru Palace Restaurant at gmail.com, or you can decide to use only restaurants at gmail.com. Let me remove this extra information. So I'll put the restaurants. You can see restaurants at gmail.com. Once I put restaurants at gmail.com, I click enter. You can see it has generated about 86 email for me of people who own restaurants. Their Gmail addresses, you can see it. But in your own case, you might not have this extension. I'm going to show you how you get this extension with time. All you have to do is you identify the email one after the other. When you come down here, you can see this is one email here. You can see this is another one. If you continue, you get to see their email addresses. You can see another one again. So if you continue, you can see there are more than enough for you so that you can contact them. So in this case, you are seeing email addresses of people who own restaurant businesses. So I will come down here. In this case, I've already generated you can see my emails here. These are the emails I have here already I've generated. So the next thing we'll do is we'll go to our AI. ChatGPT, when you go to your ChatGPT, you will compose the email. You can write this email manually or you can speed up the process. In my own case, I want to speed up the process. Within few minutes, I'll be done. Come to this very point, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very simple. Within few minutes, you can sign up and create an account, free account, no charge. I may leave the link at the description box for you to just click and you will come up. So the next thing you do is you compose this, or if possible, I'll also leave this right up at the description box for you. You say write a short email offering website development service for a restaurant company. Educate the company on the need to scale up its businesses through online order and delivery. End the email by showing a template below as affordable offers that they will enjoy. 1. Build a web. So from this very point, this is the main template that we're using. This very one here. So this is the write-up. We are asking ChatGPT to write the email for us. Then the next thing we'll do is we are going to attach this template. These are the template. This from number 1, build website for so amount. This is number 2, build website for so amount. Number 3, build website for so amount. So this information is we are telling ChatGPT to write the email and then generate the email in this format. It's going to generate the email to have a well-organized ending like this, because ChatGPT does not know what we want to do. So we are asking it to include this extra information for us. So we'll paste it. By the time you click enter, at the end of the day, it's going to give you exactly something like this. You get to see it. You can see it here. It says subject. It gives all the heading because it's already know it's an email. Enhance your restaurant business, dear recipient. You can see it. So blah blah blah. Hope you are doing fine whatsoever. It went further. It now said, to help you get started, I'm offering the following affordable option that you can tailor toward meeting your needs. You can see everything neatly arranged. All you have to do is you now copy it. By the time you copy this, you go to your email. You get to see it now in our email. You get to see it now in our email. So after everything, if you cannot get it, it's not really necessary, but if you can put one or two of your social media handle, maybe the profile you are using on Facebook or whatever, for better clarification for contact, it's okay. Then the next thing you do is you come to this very point, you go up, the heading is already there, your introduction and everything is already here. So you come to this place that say recipient. Remember, we have gotten our emails at the initial stage, just like what we have here. You come to this very point. So in this case, we have our targeted email. We have one here. The only thing we'll do is we'll copy it. Remember, you wrote restaurants at gmail.com. So we're targeting Gmails now. I'll copy this. I'll come to the email and paste. Once I paste, the email is already there. Then I can click send. In my own case, I have my own strategy of doing it. I'll have to duplicate this. Instead of sending it to one person, I can send to as many people as I want. So I'm going to do it now for you to see. So this is it for this. I've sent one already. So I have the 19 emails I've already generated. I've taken time to put together. So the next thing I'll do is I'll come to the email list. I'll go up. This is where I put the email list. So these are the 19 emails I'm going to send to. Come here. If you are using Gmail's feature, that will be an added advantage. But if you don't have Gmail's feature, don't worry, it will still work. The only thing here is you will not be able to see what is going on with your email. So you put BCC, then one up, then you're set. Click send. Everything is done in less than few minutes, in less than 10-15 minutes. You're done with the whole concept. You can repeat this over and over and over again. I believe within the shortest possible time you begin to see results. So catch you in my next video. More will be coming as I continue to give you more tricks on how to make money online. Any money online can be very interesting when you are getting results, despite the fact that it might look slow. But the good thing there is if you maintain with consistency, you'll be happy that you do. So catch you in my next video. Don't forget to keep it there as I continue to bring you more.